Today, in this video, we will talk about how to cancel AI Calorie Tracker subscription. So, all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Please note, you can cancel your subscription from the platform you used to make your payment. Method 1. Cancel AI Calorie Tracker subscription on the Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap the menu icon in the upper right corner. Go to Payments and Subscriptions, and then Subscriptions. Select AI Calorie Tracker app from the list of subscriptions. Tap Cancel Subscription at the bottom. Choose a reason for canceling. Then tap Continue. Tap Cancel Subscription for confirmation. And follow the prompts. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel a AI Calorie Tracker Premium subscription on iOS. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or other Apple devices. Tap your name or Apple ID. Tap Subscriptions. Select AI Calorie Tracker from the list of apps. Tap Cancel Subscription. And follow the prompts and you are done. Method 3. Cancel on web. Visit an official website and on the top, select Manage Subscription. Once you are on this screen, on the login page, use the same email you used when you created your account on our website. Once you enter your email, click on Send button. Now open your Gmail and open Recent Received Email Form AI. After opening email, click on Login link and tap Cancel, and then Cancel Plan. And you are done. So by using this method, you can easily cancel AI Calorie Tracker Premium subscription. Hopefully this video will helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video.